Hi guys, it's Ree here. Today's video. What? What? Hi guys, it's Ree here. In today's video, we will be doing date night glam. So take your makeup bags and let's get ready. So I changed my location a little bit. Tell me if you like it. So let's start with the brows. For this occasion, you want your makeup obviously to slay and to stay. I don't know about you, but I want my skin to look flawless. So I'm using my foundation. Today I want to go in a little bit different direction. I will start with contouring, but I am not only gonna do contouring, I also do bronzing. So it'll be bronzing. Because I want to be sculpted, but I also want my skin to be warm. So I'm gonna apply contour stick like this. So you apply it everywhere you want to have a shadow. So then I will take the bronzer, warm up my skin. This is the placement. After this, you see this spot on my cheek. It's always there, no matter what I apply. I don't understand what it is. Then I'm gonna use blush. Blush from the brush. On this brush is Where's the SPF by Made by Mitchell, and it's just the perfect amount. Then I'm gonna use concealer, and I am gonna try to do lifting. I'm gonna use my concealer here. I'm gonna do a little bit of a lift there. Then I'm gonna use a like there, here, also here, and here. I'm gonna blend. Right like that. Then obviously powder, and with powder I also gonna lift. I'm gonna set with loose powder like almost everywhere. I am gonna set with pressed powder. Let's use powder bronzer. Just to warm up the skin. I'm gonna use Hourglass blush. I picked up only a little on a brush and I'm just dusting it because I don't want to see any harsh lines. I don't want my makeup to feel heavy. So as always, starting with basics. Now I am gonna use the shade that a little bit darker. I'm using it right there and then also blending it. Then even darker shade, but just a little bit, and like here on the line. I already like it. Then after all of this, I am gonna use the lighter shadows as always. Then I am gonna try to do a wing with my darker shadows, almost black. Yeah, is this me if I don't mess up the wing? The one is perfect. The other one, on the other hand, is disaster. You see this? And you see this? Yeah. Doesn't seem good to me. It's not seems good to me. I just don't know how to fix what happened. Is it even something possible to fix? Yeah, it's okay to mess it up, because I know you'll fix it. Because you can. Maybe it's not perfect, but it will do. I'm gonna use the same darker shadows just here on my lash line, on the bottom. Don't worry, we'll blend this. Not only on my cheeks. Oh, yeah, don't worry, it's not too much. I'm gonna do this. So I have this pen. It sparkles. And I want to apply it. I just don't know exactly where. Maybe here. Oh, yes. Okay. Hmm. So I really like how this looks. Obviously, for this look to be more bold, we have to use black mascara. My black mascara. Will it be me if I don't mess everything up at the end? Like, I just see my sparkly eyes and it's so beautiful. Now the lower lash. And for the lips, I have something special. This lip combo. And this is perfect for the date. Firstly, I'm gonna use the brown liner. And with this, I am gonna lightly overline my lips. So I'm going above my cupid's bow a little bit. Okay, and the other side. And then the same. Okay, then you see it's just so light hand. I take my burgundy liner and I'm doing this. Lightly blending liners into the lip. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why I just did that? I'm doing like this then. And then I'm gonna apply my lipstick, which is this lovely burgundy color. And I'm gonna do this. If you want to go brighter, you obviously can. I'm not gonna go overboard, but just on camera right now, this looks like really pink and red. In real life, in person, this is a little bit more dull and cherry. So this is it. I'm gonna try and show you my face closer so you can see all the sparkles. Yeah, the color of the lips still not it. And then this is the final makeup. You are ready for a date. I think it's perfect because obviously your skin looks flawless. It doesn't look like you have a lot of makeup on, but this just enhance your natural beauty. What I think about the eye makeup is that this also exaggerates your eyes. All the sparkles, all the glow, the depths is just, you need this, obviously. And lips is just the cherry on the top. So that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you want to see from me next, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!